What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So the question is that how much a web developer earn in Hong Kong? Okay, the question is simple. Normally, we are going to be like an entry-level developer, such as a front-end developer. Your starting will be 18,000 Hong Kong dollar easily. 18,000. Becoming a PHP is like 21,000 easily. I mean, with 1 or 2 years experience, 25,000 Hong Kong dollars is like the average salary of a web developer. But other than that, if you're a professional web developer, like 5 year experience, senior web developer, 25,000 to maximum 30. I do not see any web developer about 13,000 Hong Kong dollar. Yeah, just bear in mind. I mean 18,000. But if you're if you are going to work for some kind of government, I mean sector, then 14,000 is starting. Private sector is like 18,000 Hong Kong dollars starting. I hope this answered the question. If you have any more question, my email address is in the description box. But check out the links in the description box below. Subscribe and bye.